Good morning, everyone. I'm Ed Parcaut with Mike Kelly.
How you doing, Mike? How you guys doing this week? It's Wednesday day, right?
Dude, this week I can't remember what day is what these days.
Yeah, it's
I'm
March
like, what is
1st.
today? Is it Thursday? Is it Tuesday? I don't remember.
It's Wednesday.
Yeah, the show I did by myself on Monday should have had a drinking game for every time I said because I'm drunk. I was like, what is this? Was this my first actual talking on camera? Because that's what it looked like.
Wow.
Yeah, I was like, I listened. I was like, okay, I can't listen to that. If I could delete it and re-record it, I would. But let's move on.
Yeah, let's move on.
So, how's the event in Vegas?
It's the 50-year anniversary of Remax, so there's a lot of big stuff going on. There's a million people here, it seems like. I heard reports of anywhere from 6,500 Remax agents to 9,000 Remax agents. I don't know which one's true, but it looks like 9,000. The opening session yesterday was pretty cool. We had Flo Rida and some guy from gang.
Try that again. Some guy from what?
Balls. Yep.
You're breaking up a little bit there, Mike.
I can't remember the guy's name, but he was from Cool the Gang, and he did the opening event or the opening song, and then but basically the buzz around the convention center, when you're talking to other agents in other areas, is everybody believes anywhere from third quarter to fourth quarter this year, everything's going to be kind of stabilizing out, kind of what we've been saying, that the bubble of opportunity is going to dissipate, and we're going to be back into the situation that we were kind of before, but probably not 30 offers on properties, but multiple offers.
Right.
And the same thing, Nick Bailey, our CEO from Remax, he's talking about nationally how short we are on supply. So there just can't be a crash. He said, we can't call this a recovery. We can call it a rebalancing, to where it's more of a kinder, gentler market for buyer and seller, but we can't call it a recovery because we never had a crash, and we're not going to have a crash.
Right.
So what we've been saying for months.
Yeah, it was funny. I was looking at Fox News yesterday, and they were showing the numbers, and she was saying 9% when it was 0.9%, and so it sounded worse than it was because of the way she was saying the numbers on screen.
It was 0.9, not 9.
0.9, exactly. What came out today we were waiting for was the index that has to do with the Survey of Manufacturing Supply Executives. So it's the index ISM, right? So ISM. So it's that came in actually at 47.70, up from 47.40 last month, which is still down below 50. So 50 is expanding, above 50 is expanding, below 50 is contracting in the manufacturing. So we're looking at 0.30 difference, and it shouldn't have affected the bond market. It shouldn't have affected the stock market. But what really affected it today was the fact that one of the Fed people opened their mouth and said the Fed's going to have to go longer on raising rates. And that just threw everything off. And right now we're down 28 basis points today when we shouldn't be down that. So we're all waiting for March 10th. And March 14th, which is the CPI and the PPI numbers come out, and that should show inflation going down and make a huge change. Again, going back the other way.
Yeah.
But the
moral of the story is,
I wasn't finished.
You're waiting for March.
Let me finish. All right. So I have what we're waiting on is tomorrow for the unemployment numbers to come out, the job claims to come out. And that initial jobless claims, that's kind of going to tell us what the numbers are coming. And that's what we're waiting on. So, all right, go. You're going to say?
Go buy a house anyway while you're waiting. That's basically what I was going to say. It's still good. It's still a good time to buy a house.
Yeah. Here's other things. Biden administration's having problems with the student loan issue. The Supreme Court is not looking at it. They don't know if which way they're going to go on it. Also, the COVID era policies ending food stamp program expansion. So that means that's going to negatively impact 32 million Americans. I cannot believe 32 million Americans are on food stamps. That monthly assistance is going to shrink 1/3, or about $82 per recipient. And that's going to cause reduced income and slowing the economy, because 32 million people can't go buy a lot of food.
Yep.
That's all I have today.
Well, what was the number of people of available jobs out there that people aren't doing? 89
11
million?
million. 11 million. Yeah. 89
I can believe
people
32
quit
million
work.
people are on food stamps.
Yeah. Well, 89 million quit work.
11 million jobs up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Crazy. Well, that's all I have today too.
Yeah. That's just go short because our connection's not the greatest. So I will see you I'll see you shortly.
See you in a bit.
All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Make it a great day, and we will talk to you on Friday.
Perfect.